Alright, there's a little blue monk for you, kind of in a country blues style. It's really fun to play, and it's all based around the simple chromatic lick. And I'll just show you, the basic arrangement here. So we're dealing with like an A. We're an A, right? We're working out of this A position mostly. And for the E, when we get to the 5, I'm making an E like this. I'm covering these two on the 2nd fret on the A and the D string. And I'm putting my ring finger on the B note on the 4th fret on G string, and my pinky on the E note on the B string. Just so I could, that's the E. You'll see when I get there. Okay, so that's the basic chord formation. There's a diminish there, standard diminish. Okay, so we're going right up from the, now this part. Okay, so that's the 2nd fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the E string, and then, so you're going the E note to the F sharp, E note on the B, F sharp, then down, then the A note on the G string. See that? So it's, okay then. Okay, we're going up then from where you are on the A note, which is diminished there. Then again, then we're back to this formation of E, which I have like this. Okay. Okay, so the only tricky thing really is, so we're going, when you double stop, I'm just taking the A, I'm going, covering like an A, like that. This is what I call the hunt and peck method. You just look around for the note that's the harmony note. So I'm hunting around for that note, I find out it's down here to B. So, and here it's just again, I hunt. Then we're going. Now when you make the diminished chord, you get the harmony. And what you want to do is when you hit there, you want to have your bass note be the A, because that's part of the diminished chord. So that part is you're counting da 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 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and that's the counting on that part. So I'm going to go here one more time with the double stops. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 3 4. diminished. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, there you go. Check it out. I got a whole bunch of other videos about my van, slide guitar, and my pontification on my music career. So hope you enjoyed, everybody. Till next time, signing off.